everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel Linet Solar Travels, a passionate farmer. Today I just want to show you how we always handle our layers inside the cage and what we usually do, because they need to do exercise once in a while, so we're gonna let them out. Are you seeing them? This is the door, so we're gonna open the door and let them out. It's very simple to remove this one. This is the door. Then we let all of them out to do exercise, and we prefer doing it 3 times a week because they need that exercise. See the way they're jumping? It is always very important. The exercise is always very important in their health. Wow. Wacha tu milango zitatoka ama za huko hazitoki. So everyone is going to enjoy the flow of weather today. Fresh weather. See there, they're jumping. Wow, they feel so good. Wow. So guys, it doesn't mean that when we put them inside the cage, layers cage, that they can't be let outside. It is very important to let them out once a while, 3 times in a week. We do it 3 times in a week so that they can exercise, they burn fats and calories, because if they gain that weight, if they gain that fat, you will not get an egg you are looking for. So if you need an egg on a daily basis, you need to practice this at least on a weekly basis, but not daily. And some are fighting, they have beef. Wow. Wow. The exercise is very important in their health. Since they are pure layers, guys, we don't want them to gain a lot of fat, because the moment they're going to gain a lot of fat in their body, they will be skipping. They won't be laying on a daily basis, and that one will really affect the farm, the productivity of the farm. We need that egg on a daily basis. So we have to help them and give them space how to do the exercise. Na uchunge mayai, simana mayai ziko hapa. Nani? Hawa watoki nje. Mtoke nje, mtoke. Hebu nishikilie moja ni hold weight. Hey. Let me get the weight, guys. Wow. Yeah, they're very heavy. They need to do more exercise so that you get that egg. They are really enjoying. They have missed the free range. See them, guys. Wow, they look so nice. They've really missed the free range. See there, this one is basking in the sun. That is what they were missing. The vitamin D and everything scratching the ground. They've been missing a lot. They've been missing, scratching the ground, eating the worms. Himalayas, guys, Sasso F1. These are Sasso F1. Wow. See there, they're jumping up and down. What they've missed so much. See what they're eating. I don't know what they're eating in the soil, but they know themselves what they're eating in the soil. They're really feeling good, the fresh air now. Wow, wow. Stop fighting. Why are you people fighting? Let them all out. Let them all come out. So everyone is out, guys. See what they were missing. Wow. Watoka nje mpaka mfunge mlango. Yeah, let them enjoy. Hata mngewawekea nyasi kidogo kidogo. Yeah, they need grass too. This is the behavior now. See, guys. Himalayas, guys, in Alea's farm. So I just wanted to share with you how I do it. At the comment section, don't shy away from asking any question, and you too sharing how you are doing it in your place. Yeah, they are happy. They feel so happy, guys. They feel so happy, jumping up and down, scratching the soil. They've been missing this so much. Yeah, it's fun. They are really feeling good. The vitamin D here. I don't know what they're scratching in the soil. See that one? Feeling that sun rays. Feeling that sun rays. Feeling so good. So wow. Yeah. It's as if wamekuwa jela na wameachwa huru sasa. They've been free. They've been freed. Everyone is happy. See there, they're drinking water. are flocking there because there is water there. This is how they behave. Wow. Vumbi! Some are lying here. Let me just show you. Some are bathing with the soil. They are bathing with the soil. You see what they are doing? And they're so huge. They're very, very huge. So big. I'm just studying their behavior, guys. They are feeling so good. Yeah, and they should be feeling this way 3 times a week to make them active, to make them burn the fats, the calories, because they're too heavy. They are gaining a lot of fat. If they continue that way, if they continue this way, we will miss eggs, and that is what we are trying to prevent. Rusha rusha tu. Hey. Pole pole nani? Unawachukua. Unawachukua. So this is the grass we are providing. Weka tu hapa chini. Usirusha rusha. They need grass, guys. Grass is very important. So, it's like a roughage. It's okay, relax. It's like a roughage. Helps them in digestion because they're always inside the cage. They just eat and sleep. Eat, sleep inside the cage. Digestion is not taking place properly as required. They need a lot of exercise that they are doing right now. And this is the type of grass they need, guys. Like a roughage. Helps in digestion. Source of vitamin, guys. Yeah, they have started enjoying the grass, and you can see over there. Yeah, they know grass because we always provide them with grass. Some are really drinking water over there. They are thirsty. After exercise, they drink water. Some are climbing up there. You see, that is the exercise they really needed. You see what is happening on the other end? They're eating grass. They're really enjoying now. And this is the reason you should let your layers outside the cage once a while, guys. They need the exercise to burn calories and fats, which might hinder them from giving you eggs on a daily basis. If they gain a lot of fats, you might not get eggs on a daily basis from each and every one. So we have to do everything possible to make them burn the fat, to make them maintain the good health, make them be active as possible, provide them with grass, very, very necessary. Utaongeza maji, maji yao imeisha. Yeah. they need water. It's empty. Yeah, they need water. Provide water. Ungechukua drink ingine pia ulete na. They need water. They are really missing it. Yeah, guys, so let us just learn from one another. If you feel Net's doing the right thing, you can copy that. If he's not doing the right thing, you can advise. Yeah, no one is perfect, I know. We are here, we are learning, all of us. It is a process, it is a journey that will never end. So at the comment section, share what is interesting, share how you are doing it. If you are doing layers in your farm, you can share with me, so that we learn from each other. Look at you up here. Yeah, like everyone needs water. They are thirsty. Yeah, that's all, guys. I just wanted to show you how important this exercise is and how they usually feel if they are let outside. The fresh environment, fresh weather flowing, huh? It's a windy day. And they're feeling so good. And they're fighting. I don't know why they are fighting each other. They don't know they are sisters. Stop fighting. What is all this fight about? Wow, and now they are enjoying that water. Yeah, that is how important this exercise is. Then how important the grass is. It is really necessary. If you're watching this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you learn more, you watch more videos, you are not left when any upload is done. Thanks to my subscribers who always comes back to watch my videos. Our layers are here now, 4 months, giving us eggs on a daily basis. 4 months now since we started getting eggs, and exercise is necessary always for them. You help them, in return you benefit. You get your eggs on a daily basis without any skip. They're flocking for water. Yeah, it's time to bring them back into the cage. Yeah, it's time. It's time to return them back from captivity. Yeah, let everyone get in. Let everyone get in. They're going back to the cage. So guys, just to let you know, if you want to get eggs on a daily basis, or you want to get more eggs on a daily basis, try practice this and you will really see the return. Try practice this. Don't just let them stay into the cage 24/7, Monday to Friday, Monday to Sunday. It will harm them. So try doing this. Try practicing this. It will really help them. Otherwise, I And it is very, very important. They are going back into the cage. Time to bring them back. But I know they still want this more to get inside, to stay outside more. Let's get them in, feed them, and see the return now. Yeah, everyone is back to the cage, guys. And immediately they are in, you can see an egg over there. Everyone is back into the cage, and you can see we've done the cleaning of the feeder here. It's very clean because we want to feed them now. Let me just hold the egg first. So anyone viewing this video for the first time, or to my returning subscribers, kindly try this at home and you will see a miracle. Try doing this. This is how you can take care of your layers if you want to increase your farm productivity. It will really boost the productivity high, and again we'll have to get monster eggs on a daily basis without skipping, because we've just found out how exercise is very important in their health, and it helps them to burn the calories and fats in their body, because the moment a layer is going to gain more fat, you want to get that egg. That is how that exercise is very important. If you are doing cages, if you are putting your layers in the cage, whoever watching this video, try exercise this. Watch this video to the end, and it will really help you. You will get a return, and you will come and thank me later, guys. So let's try this at least 3 times in a week or twice in a week, depending on how you do it, depending on the schedule of your farm. Yeah, it's very interesting, guys. And now everyone is feeding time. Ulishapeleka mayai? Yeah, it's feeding time. Everyone is enjoying the meal after that thorough exercise. After that thorough exercise, they are very hungry. Now utajaza maji pale. Yeah, they need to drink a lot of water because they have just come from an exercise, from doing an exercise. The energy is low. They need to drink water, eat food. So whoever wants to increase the productivity in their farm, and you are doing layers and you are putting them into the cage, try to do this. You can't do it on a daily basis. It might be hectic depending with the number of birds in your farm. Only have one unit. It's holding the cage. We call it 1 unit. 1 unit is holding 128 birds, guys. Yeah. So with time we're gonna expand the farm, but still we can do this on a daily basis depending with the farm schedule. I will encourage everyone to do it. If at all you have layers cage in your farm, don't just let them stay inside the cage. Sometimes it's boring. They become very boring. They just eat there. Their work is to eat, and you get eggs. If they eat too much without exercise, they will skip laying the egg. You might get an egg today, then you wait again after 2 days is when you get the next. So to avoid that, Just give them, they need that exercise, a thorough one. They have to jump up and down, do that exercise, eat grass outside to help them in digestion. They've eaten everything, even if you can check outside here. We had grass outside here. They have eaten everything. So it's very, very important how to increase the productivity in your layers farm. Very important, guys. So after this feeding, we need to get more eggs. They give us eggs after the exercise. We are really, really waiting. So see you guys in our next video on what we are going to discuss, an important topic again. So make sure you tune in to Lynette Solar Travels. Thank you for watching my videos and see you in our next video.